Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am here with a new recruitment from the T Systems company. This is online off-campus recruitment drive for the BE BTech CSIT candidates for the batch 2021. Okay, this is organized by PCET, that is Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust College from this is Pune College, and this drive is for Maharashtra colleges only. Okay, and they are conducting in May 2021. Okay, note, they have written information. This is the company college information, and they have written here as they are conducting this drive for BE BTech CSIT 2021 batch student is scheduled on 6 June 2021. This drive is conducting on 6th June 2021. Okay, this online drive is organized by Central Placement Cell PCET Nutan Group Pune, and this recruitment drive is only for the Maharashtra colleges, so other state students should not apply. Note, company HR will shortlist the students out of total registered student, and the test link will be sent by the company to the shortlisted students only. The college will not be responsible for shortlisting the student. No queries about the same will be entertained. If the candidate does not receive the mail till the last date, it will indicate that the company has not shortlisted that candidate. Non-shortlisted candidates should not contact anybody. It will be completely the company's decision to shortlist the student depending upon the accreditation or ranking of the college and other criteria also. Company has not revealed all the details and want to reserve the right solely to shortlist the candidates. If the company does not get a sufficient number of final select in the first slot, then company may consider a few more students for the next slot as per their need, but please do not call for the same. Okay, so guys, I request you all, please note or please read at least once. Okay, I have read this just now, so kindly note these points. This drive is only and only for 2021 batch current final year students, those who will pass out in June, July, August 2021. If earlier pass out student register for the drive, then she or he will be debarred from the further off campus recruitment drives of PCET Pune even though eligible. Okay, please find the below details. Name of the company T Systems, batch year of passing 2021, no dead live backlog allowed. Okay, proposed CTC 3.5 LPA, 10th 12th engineering percentage, minimum 60% throughout. Branch CSIT. Date of online test Friday 6th June 2021. Tentative date of joining mid of July 2021. Region of colleagues recommended Maharashtra only. Region of colleges recommended Maharashtra only. Then all the eligible students as per the mentioned criteria are requested to submit the details below the signature at the bottom of this page. Students who are not eligible should not apply, otherwise they will allowed for further drives. They will not be allowed for further drives. Okay, so all these things they have mentioned here. Okay, and let me tell you guys, please do not call on these numbers. Do not call on these numbers. Okay, so to apply for this T System of campus drive, please fill these details: email, then name of student, name of college, college university, city of college, then state Maharashtra. You must be from Maharashtra state. Year of passing, you must be 2021 pass out. Course BE BTech. Branch select SSC percentage. Okay, so then HSC percentage. If you have completed diploma, then write diploma percentage, your UG aggregate, and your mobile number, and submit this form. Okay, so you need to fill all these details to apply for this position. But I repeat guys, do not call on these any of number. Do not do any mail. Okay, you just go to description box, open that link, and fill all these details and apply. Okay, so do not call or do not mail to anyone. Okay, so please apply for this position, and thanks for watching this video.